What's up, YouTube? It's your man from Losi 5ive-T. It's been a minute since I dropped a video, but your man's in college now. What you want me to do? Anyway, buddy called me up from a local swap meet. He said, hey, they got some 5Ts out here. I said, hey, if it is what you say it is, pick it up. I'll pay you for it. Bring it back. Check it out. On the box it says 40 miles an hour. We got it up to 43. That's incredible with a vehicle this size. Plus I know I got more in it, some more tweaks, some more tricks and trade. We could get it even faster, but we don't need it any faster than this. This is already insane. This gas car is not my fastest car, but man, is this thing exciting, dude. You can smell it, you can hear it, you can feel it. It vibrates your soul when it comes by. This thing is a rumbler, tumbler. You gotta love it. You gotta get you 5T. I wanna show you guys what the remote cutoff switch does. So I hit this button on the remote, the car cuts off. That's nice. 92 octane, 2-cycle oil. You'll notice this thing has no front dog bone though. Rear wheel drive, Losi 5ive-T. Over 3 feet long, over 35 pounds. This is just short of a go-kart. Come on, man. This thing is massive. It's fresh and clean, but I do remember saying never buy a used gas car, but here we are. So let's get this thing spruced up. Man, look at this chassis though. Had to get it. The Bartolone pipe. Come on, man. This engine even been worked on. I had to get it. Had to. Now this is a basher body, but the standard is the standard. This thing has some holes in the paint, so we went out and we got us some new paint. We're going to paint this thing, fill in all the holes other than the windows, and it should match that. So now that we got all the bolts out, we should be able to take the top off of the frame. That frame costs $150. This guy, man, one of these will cost you another $150, $300. So we're going to spruce this thing up, put some paint in it. We got to mask off the windows, and we're going to get it right. A penny saved is $1 earned around here. We're going to hit it with this simple green and clean it all out. But you can see all these white spots is where we're going to spray it, and hopefully this thing comes out nice and green on the outside. Look at what else I found that I need to refresh. Spray paint in the basher body. The standard is the standard. But it's not just sprucing up, because we're taking this rig racing. And to do that, you need a cutoff switch. So we're going to put one on in this video. Hang out with me and I'm going to show you how it's done. All right, step one in this whole process, take this little cover off. We'll sit it down here and I'll show you what's in the package. Dynamite kill switch from Horizon. And no, I'm not sponsored, but this is the third one I had installed. And I think I'm ready to install this one all by myself. This job is not that bad though. Once you get everything out and exposed, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to just make some more room, so I'll take this other shroud up a little bit so we could get behind it. Using the needle nose so we can get back here and remove the manual kill switch. So now that we have it removed from the motor, we just have to remove it from the actual button. And you see the new 4 leads, 2 go to the motor and 2 go to the cutoff switch. Again, using the needle nose to remove the old wires. And now we can fit the new ones. It doesn't have a particular order, positive or negative, so get in where you fit in. That's good. So you might have asked yourself, if it has a cutoff switch, why are you putting in the cutoff switch? Well, we're putting in the cutoff switch that'll cut the car off in case it goes crazy using a remote control. So now we have two. It's a tight fit back here. There's not a lot of real estate to get this new connector fitted. So I just get it right in place, close enough, like hand grenades and horseshoes, and go ahead and use this flathead to secure it all the way tight. And since the flathead was working, I use it on all four ends. 3 and 4. So we put our manual cutoff switch back in, get this thing nice and secure back on, just like new. It's better than new now, because now we have the cutoff switch here, and we had the cutoff switch from our remote control. And this is where the magic happens. We're going to connect this bad boy to channel 3 on our receiver. And yeah, it should be good. And since I'm using LiPo batteries, we can remove this jumper. It's not needed. The LiPo battery is to power up your servos. We're talking turning left and right, throttle and brake. So we'll just fit this into channel 3, and then we'll set the remote so that it's a momentary switch to cut it off. Do a little housekeeping in here. Try to figure out where I'm gonna put it. I think this is the goodest place as any. Goodest? Then we just have to route all of our wires and make sure that they're nice and snug and don't get caught on anything. You guys old enough to remember the time I broke the handle? Well, we got a new one. So, ordered off of Amazon. It came in 24 hours. The old one to the left, new one to the right. I have no idea how to fix the old one, so I bought a new one. It was like $35. It was worth the stress, so there it is. Gotta put that Bartolone tune pipe back on. There's some screws here, and there's some screws there. And just like that, this engine is coming together nicely. And these little fellas are for the disc brakes. Yup, it's got disc brakes. 4 screws later, this thing is mounted up. Oh, the hose is to make this thing light. It's 2-wheel drive Losi 5ive-T. It's lighter and definitely more nimble. And lastly, on my refresh list, new spark plugs. Yup, we putting new spark plugs on this thing too. Cause we gon' racing. I'm just trying to give myself a fighting chance with a used RC, you know what I mean? So new spark plug, new pull start. This is one of the ways you can see if you have a spark. Plug to body to pull. New pinion, you guys didn't see me put that in there. We also put in remote cutoff switch. So yeah, man, this thing should be, oh, I forgot. Also put in a new receiver and obviously a new remote. So maybe that deal wasn't as good as I thought it was. I don't know, we'll figure it out, man. I just want to get my hands dirty either way. Let's look at the belly of this beast. We have some locker washers in here and some red Loctite. Keep this motor nice and snug. 22 tooth pinion. We gotta do the roll test. Yeah, it'll roll. Come on, man, if you like content like this, like, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend. Hey, shoot me a question, leave me a comment. From a 5-7. I forgot to mention, there's no reverse on this thing, so got to be careful. Got to be careful. For all you avid golfers out there, don't at me. I didn't leave any divots on the course. Not none. I'm excited for the 5th scale big truck races, Callahan, Bull Ring, wherever else we racing. Wherever we go, I'll be ready with my 4x4 and my 2x4. Let's go. From a 5-7, tell a friend to tell a friend. We out. Auto cut off. That thing works perfect.